People, bots, and algos of the interwebs. This is another edition of the Analyst. In this edition, we are talking about core concepts of data warehousing. Data warehousing is subject-oriented. Data is organized by business subjects, example, sales, customer, products. Data warehousing helps align data with business goals and departments. Contrast with OLTP, which is process or application oriented. Integrated combines data from various sources into a unified format, resolves inconsistencies in data types, naming conventions and formats, ensures consistency and reliability for analysis. Time variant. Historical data is maintained with timestamps. Supports trend analysis and forecasting. Unlike OLTP, data warehousing retains data over long periods. Data is not non-volatile. Data is not changed or deleted once entered into the warehouse. Read only for analytical users. Ensures data integrity and auditability. Basically, your data is auditable. Extract, transform, and load. In data warehousing, extract, transform, and load can seem like it's be all and end all, but it's not. It's a part where it's just the next part of your warehouse process. Extract means pull data from multiple sources. Transform means clean, deduplicate, and format data. When I say deduplicate, I also mean denormalize as well. Load means insert data into the warehouse, and I'm using SQL Server, so a lot of the time you will use integration services. Schema design. Star schema or snowflake schema? Star schema, central fact table connected to denormalized dimension tables. Snowflake schema, normalized or partially normalized dimension tables for storage efficiency. Used for organizing data warehouse structure for performance and clarity. Fact dimension tables. Fact table stores numeric data for analysis, sales amount, how many were sold. Dimension table, descriptive data, product, customer, time it was sold, to place it was sold, why it was sold. Used in analytical queries and aggregations. Slowly changing dimensions. First type is overwrites old data. Second type keeps historical versions. Third type stores current and previous values in the same record. Granularity refers to a level of detail in data, daily versus monthly sales. You can also create your drill down tables. Basically, what your drill down tables require in Power BI is a high level of granularity. Higher granularity, more detail, more storage. Meaning, the higher the detail of your analysis, the more storage it is going to take. Chosen based on business needs and performance trade-offs. So there's always a triad: business needs, performance, and third one is efficiency. Efficiency could also be accuracy as well. So that would be the triad: business needs, performance, efficiency, and or accuracy. Metadata, data about data. Isn't that a conundrum? Like recursion. So data about data would be: when was this data stored, who stored it, how big is this data. Technical metadata: table name, data type, source systems. Business metadata: definition, business rules, who owns this data. OLAP versus OLTP: online analytical process, online transactional processes. Analytical read-heavy supports complex queries. OLTP: transactional read-heavy supports daily operations. OLAP uses historical data. OLTP uses current data. So OLAP is your data warehouse, or your data lake. And OLTP is your current production database, where all your day's data transactions are written to. Data marts: smaller, focused data warehouses for specific departments. Example: finance mart, marketing mart. Okay, this is the theory of a data mart is a bit old, but it still holds. Even though you have data lakes, you still need a data mart. Business will need a data mart from time to time. Can be independent or linked to an enterprise DW. Data governance and quality. Processes to ensure data accuracy, consistency, and reliability. So this is where your master data services could come in. Includes validation, logging data lineage, and auditing. Builds trust in analytics and decision making. When I say builds trust in analytics and decision making, they're mostly speaking about the triad: performance, for business rule, or business goal, performance, efficiency, accuracy.